What we're going to take a look at is how to create and maintain properties in Onshape. So I'm going to start by just creating a test document here. Just a quick little test part that we can apply a physical property to. So to keep it simple, I'm just going to draw a cube. So I'll start with a square and I'll make it 3 by 3. And I'll go ahead and extrude it another 3 inches to make that 3-inch cube. I'll hit Shift 7 and that'll kind of center everything up. So what I want to do now is actually apply a material. To do that, I go down here to where it says Part 1, right in this area here. I'll right click and I'll say Assign Material. So right click and say Assign Material. When I do that, I have several choices. I can go to the Onshape material library and look through this box, and there are a bunch of them. Okay. One of the more common ones that we use in class is the PLA, so polylactic acid. That is actually already a material in here, so I could say PLA, and that will apply it, and you can see the density numbers and everything else. Okay. Now, if I get to where I want to create a custom material, first I'm going to need to know these things, right? I'm going to need to know these numbers, but I can actually just go over here to Custom, right here where it says Custom. I can give it a name, and I can enter in those numbers, and I am able to create a custom material in Onshape. So to prove it, what we'll do is we'll go down here to the Display Mass and Section Properties right here. Go there. We'll click that in, and it says, well, what parts do you want to measure? And we'll just click the part. And then these numbers will get updated, and we can see our volume, we can see our surface area, and a few other things too, like our center of mass. So kind of cool stuff from Onshape.